Yamaha Japan has announced the launch of a new product. This new motorbike model for 2023 is a popular naked sport, namely the new Yamaha MT03. For the 2023 model, the motorbike has been upgraded with the presence of a new engine in accordance with new exhaust standards. The update also improves efficiency in terms of increased torque. Of Japan's new emission standards now, Yamaha has announced its new product, namely the MT03. The main engine on the new Yamaha MT03 model, new for 2023, remains a 321cc, 4-stroke, DOHC 2-cylinder liquid-cooled engine, which is the same as the previous version. However, for the 2023 model there are improvements in the new engine. This makes it pass Reiwa exhaust emission standards for the second year, while the engine maintains the same peak power as the previous model. Maximum power reaches 42 horsepower (PS) at 10,750 revolutions per minute, and maximum torque will increase from the original 29.4 Nm to 30.4 Nm at 9,000 revolutions per minute. In addition to changes inside the engine, these mechanical changes also slightly affect the external appearance of the engine. The manufacturer has replaced a new engine cover. There are also new accessories such as the quickshifter system, which is adjusted to increase torque from the same number of revolutions. This makes the motorbike accelerate in the low to medium speed area more compactly than before. In appearance, it looks like only the engine cover has been replaced. Overall, this motorbike remains the same as the previous model. There will be 3 new body color changes: pastel dark gray, gray with red and blue accents in the same color as the rims, and deep purplish blue metallic with blue accents. The camp is cut with a blue pattern and blue rims and a matte dark gray metallic 8 color scheme that comes in a dark black dial all over the bike. The 2023 Yamaha MT03 is priced at 687,500 yen. This motorbike was launched for the Japanese automotive market. Quoting from Kawasaki Japan, the 2023 version of the Ninja 400 now looks different in terms of graphics and color choices from the previous year. As for the color choices, it is actually identical to its sibling the Ninja 250. The new color is white, which is named Pearl Blizzard White X Metallic Carbon Gray. Compared to the previous color, which was a combination of black and red, now it is made more dominant. But don't worry, this color is not completely plain. Another color is the KRT Edition color. As the name suggests, this color is inspired by the latest Kawasaki racing motorbike, which is covered in a combination of green and black. Regarding specifications, the difference compared to the previous year's Kawasaki Ninja 400 is in the exhaust sector, which seems to comply with the latest emission standards. However, the engine is still a 2-cylinder 398cc DOHC liquid-cooled engine with an injection system, with power of 48 horsepower at 10,000 revolutions per minute and torque of 37.2 Nm at 8,000 revolutions per minute. Identical to the Kawasaki Ninja 250, this motorbike uses a trellis frame with telescopic suspension at the front and a monoshock with links at the rear. The braking sector is also a single disc at the front with a 2-piston caliper, as well as a 1-piston rear caliper equipped with an ABS system. The Honda CB3000 F has been officially released for the Indian market with an increasingly aggressive and elegant appearance typical of today's Honda naked bikes. This motorbike is a descendant of the CB series family, while the letter F on the back means formidable, which means tough. The Honda CB3000 F naked sports motorbike comes with a powerful 300cc engine, and in India, this latest Honda motorbike is priced starting at 1.70 lakh rupees. Even though the appearance of the Honda CB3000 F has not changed much, the Honda naked bike this time is equipped with a number of advanced features, one of which is full LED lighting. Apart from that, the Honda CB3000 F is also equipped with an upside-down front suspension system to ensure the stability of the motorbike. Then, there is a traction control feature, dual-channel ABS brakes, as well as an assist and slipper clutch to make gear shifting easier. This motorbike is also equipped with a digital dashboard with 5 levels of brightness adjustment. In terms of engine, the Honda CB3000 F is supported by a 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine with a capacity of 293 cc, which is capable of producing 24.13 horsepower of power and a maximum torque of 25.6 Nm. Power is channeled to the rear wheels via a 6-speed manual transmission. Meanwhile, the Honda CB3000 F offers a Deluxe Pro variant with 3 cool color choices, including Sports Red, Matte Marble Blue Metallic, and Matte Axis Gray Metallic. With the updates given to this naked Honda motorbike, the CB3000 F is ready to compete with other brands of motorbikes such as the Suzuki Gixxer 250, KTM Duke 250, and BMW G310RR. Unfortunately, naked bike lovers in Indonesia have to be willing to swallow hard, because the Honda CB3000 F will not be sold in the Indonesian market because the price can be very expensive considering that this motorbike has an engine capacity of over 250 cc and will be subject to luxury goods tax. The Suzuki SV650X is an evolution of the previous Rally SV650 concept, and is now neo-retro, styled as a tribute to the DNA of 70s rally cars and motorcycles. From the pictures you can see the changes starting from minimal fairing settings and colored screens, fog lights, fenders, clip-on handlebars, exhaust, with a tuck and roll seat, as standard accessories. According to the type that leads to cafe races, the driver's driving position will be lower, with the handlebars position low. Then, at the front there is a headlight cover that resembles a small windshield, including a rear seat cover accessory to give it a stronger cafe racer feel. The SV650X's nimble chassis achieves exciting lean angles when cornered, while a pair of 4-piston MOTO-CAR brake calipers up front deliver excellent stopping power. This stunning look and style, combined with sparkling performance, delivers sport bike value that a broad range of riders will embrace. Visually stunning, the trellis-style frame is constructed of high-strength steel tubes, so it contributes to the motorcycle's low weight and trim chassis. The trim bodywork is aesthetically pleasing while aiding comfort and maneuverability. Dual 4-piston MOTO-CAR brake calipers up front grasp a pair of 290mm fully floating stainless steel rotors for great stopping performance. Liquid-cooled, 645cc, 4-stroke, DOHC, 90-degree, L-twin engine has perfect primary balance, so it smoothly pulls with authority from idle up to the 10,000 revolutions per minute redline. Advanced FE system includes Suzuki's low RPM assist feature that seamlessly adjusts engine speed during takeoff and low speed running to smooth the power delivery and to help reduce the possibility of the rider stalling the motorcycle. The engine's 90-degree L-twin configuration has perfect primary balance, so a heavy, power-robbing counterbalancer is not needed. The energy-efficient engine has unique pistons that were engineered with the use of finite element method, FEM, analysis to achieve optimal rigidity and weight. The compact, lightweight chassis is covered with slim bodywork to create a bike that's agile and fun to ride. The ready-to-ride weight of the SV650X is just 432 pounds. The high-strength steel, trellis-style frame is key to the motorcycle's trim and intelligent dimensions. The SV650X's fuel tank is short and narrow but maintains the same 3.8-gallon, 14.5-liter fuel capacity. Yamaha launched a new motorbike with a cruiser design that could be a tough opponent for Harley-Davidson. What's cool is that this new Yamaha motorbike is equipped with a V-twin engine. The new motorbike in question is the Yamaha Bolt. The characteristic bobber on the Yamaha Bolt can be seen in the classic teardrop tank design with minimalist graphics, as well as the separate seat and V-twin engine, which adds to the vintage appeal. Even though it has a classic appearance, the Yamaha Bolt has been equipped with several modern features, such as installing LED lights on the back and retro-style turn signal indicators. This cruiser motorbike has a seat height of 690mm, so riders who have a short stature can still ride this Yamaha Bolt. Ergonomic design also makes the rider more relaxed and comfortable. The Yamaha Bolt also has a fully digital instrument panel with a minimalist appearance. For engine specifications, the Yamaha Bolt has a 4-stroke engine, V-twin, with a capacity of 941cc, SOHC, 4 valves, and is air-cooled. This engine can produce 54 PS of power at 5,500 revolutions per minute, with maximum torque reaching 80 Nm at 3,000 revolutions per minute. The power and torque are mated to a 5-speed manual transmission, then distributed to the rear drive wheels via a belt. For the legs, this cruiser motorbike has 19-inch front and 13-inch rear rims. Meanwhile, for the safety sector, There are disc brakes with a diameter of 282 mm front and rear. The disc brakes are equipped with a 2-channel ABS feature. With a 41 mm telescopic shock and a double cradle frame, the new motorbike has a wet weight of 252 kg. The teardrop-style petrol tank that is characteristic of this cruiser motorbike has a capacity of 13 liters. The Yamaha Bolt is sold for 1,045,000 yen.